This is like the hardest part in this business. I swear. This is like the hardest part in this business. Because before you can succeededly pack all these seeds, your waist. That is why I keep saying Banga Farm hashtag not for the weak. Because if your mind no day, you just run. Just run. So many here. Let's see this thing they can't hide for here. So what you need to understand in the business of palm tree farming, oil palm farming, yes, in oil palm farming, there will be a lot of stress. Yes, there will be a lot of stress, especially if you don't have workers. But even at that, if you have not watched the videos I've been making recently, just try and watch that video. And if you have watched this video to this point, that simply means, and also this is the first time you're coming across my channel for the very first time, and this is the first time you're coming also across my videos for the very first time, please, what you need to do for us is as simple as that. Subscribe to this channel, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we post a new video, just like this one you are watching right now. And then also recommend this channel to your friends to come and learn. You don't understand? So there is no knowledge, they say, that is wasted. So keep watching my channel and keep farming. Stay positive, like I often say, and stop playing and then start farming today. Agriculture, like I said in the other video, is becoming a fast-growing way of life. Don't tell me, sir, I don't have a piece of land. That land in your backyard is what starting. You must not have 20 billion before you can go into agriculture. Say, okay, I don't have money. I have only 100,000. If I have 100,000, me and you, I know the kind of farmer for they do. You don't understand. So, if you have 100,000 and then you have backyard, just like this my own, because this my farm where you are seeing it is just behind my house. Yes, it's behind my house. Not like I went and bought 150 acres of land. Then it's just behind my house. And then it's just to make good use of what you have, because some people can still buy 200 acres of land and still there's still nothing to show. You don't understand? So the secret in farming is not in how big your farm is, but in what you can do with what you have at hand. You don't understand? So this is what we have fed. See? These are seeds. You see them? I still they pack the game. So if you have watched this video to this extent, it means you are my subscriber and you like my content, like my videos, and you want to support. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so that you be notified anytime I post a new video. We move to the other side. I think that's the last side. Then we'll go to there and then we are done. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.